Hi guys, Nicole Kernohan here. I was walking my son to the school bus this morning, just not too long ago, and it really reminded me of the power of visualization and visualizing crystal clear pictures and moments, right? So a lot of us set goals, and I highly believe in goal setting, and I talk about goal setting a lot in other videos, and setting big goals and big dreams. But for example, if there's a financial goal, like most people are not actually motivated by money. They might think they are, but they're motivated by what the money can provide. And the reason this comes back to my side of the school bus is not necessarily financial in that example, but is that if I visualized us, living in a nice neighborhood, in a nice home, and walking to the school bus or school together, but holding hands, and that whole experience, right? The feeling of that experience is what we work towards and what we work for. So for example, if you have I love financial goals. I think they're very powerful. I think they're impactful. I think they're clear, black and white. It's yes or no, and especially if we're going for something that's far beyond where we're at. But it's really making sure that we are focused on the reasons why. So if we have $1 million goal, what does that do? That allows, maybe I want to buy a house for my parents, right? And then I can picture the house. I can picture handing them the keys and the feeling that they'll have and the feeling I'll have, and the celebration, and what a gift. If I want to grow my business to a certain level and it involves others, I can think about the number of people I'm going to impact and seeing their faces and their experiences and their lives change. If I want to work from another country or move to another country and work there, and be able to afford that or have a business that allows that, it's really the power of picturing the actual the situations where that time will be spent, where that money will be spent. It's so critically important, because a lot of the times we set a monetary goal or we set some kind of a target, but we're not emotionally attached to it, because we're not emotionally attached to a number. We're emotionally attached to what that can provide in our life and what our day can look like, and the feelings and emotions attached to those experiences, okay? So hopefully this is powerful. Hopefully this is a moment for you. But as you're writing down your goals, you're even reflecting on the goals you currently have, really try to take some time to step back and say, what will my life look like and feel like, and what do I want to do with that, and really dig into the why. Reasons come first. The reason why is what's going to motivate you, not just the goal by itself. It's the purpose behind it, the reason why you want those things. That's going to motivate us to get up and really do things that are uncomfortable, because we have to stretch if we want to achieve some of those big things. Okay, thanks so much, guys. Enjoy. I'll talk to you soon.